Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to find the IP address of your router and Linux systems. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Finding the IP address of your router and Linux systems can be done using a few simple commands. Here's how. Method 1. Using terminal. Open the terminal. Type the following command and press enter. This will display a line that includes the IP address of your router, listed as the default root. If IP root is not installed on your system, you can install it using your distributions package manager, Debian-based distributions, Red Hat-based distributions, Arch-based distributions, OpenSUSE-based distributions. Method 2. Using the network manager. Open the terminal. Enter the following command and press enter. This command will display the IP address of your router under IP for gateway. If Network Manager is not installed on your system, you can install it using your distributions package manager, Debian-based distributions, Red Hat-based distributions, Arch-based distributions, OpenSUSE-based distributions. After installing Network Manager, you can start and enable the service. Method 3. Using graphical interface. Go to your system settings and find the network settings option. Look for connection information or details, where you'll usually find the IP address of your router listed as the gateway or router. These methods should help you find your router's IP address on a Linux system. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time. See you later.